Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. And first of all, I want to welcome you all in our school. And this is your first GK class. And I am your GK teacher. My name is Sangeeta Mishra. And I am going to teach you GK. So children, let's start. Before we start our GK class, I'm going to I'll involve you to do one activity. That activity is related to rhyme. I hope you all have heard about the rhyme which you have learned in nursery class, that is Old MacDonald. If you remember that rhyme, then you will sing along with me, and if you don't remember, then fine, I'll play this rhyme here and you will hear it. Okay, then I'm going to ask questions related to this rhyme. Then we will come to the content of our GK book. Okay children, so I'll start that rhyme. So children, as you have heard this rhyme, what is there in the rhyme? So children, what is there in the rhyme? Okay, fine. Whatever you will tell me, that I will write it on the board. So in the rhyme, it is about farm animals. Farm animals. First thing. Now, what is the second thing is there in the rhyme? Yes, it's correct. It is related to sound of the animal. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O, with a moo-moo here, with a moo-moo there, here moo, there moo, everywhere moo-moo. What is that moo-moo? That is sound. Sound of animals. Sound of animals. So, here what we have find it out, that all the animals produce some kind of sounds. It might be not same of every animal, but all the animals communicate with each other with some kind of a sound. So that is our topic for today, that is animal sounds. So today we will do animal sounds. As you all know that the sound of cow is moo moo. Similarly, you are knowing what is the sound of pig, that is oink oink. So in this we will learn about animal sounds. Now as you can see on the board, what I have written unit 1, that is the natural world. So in your GK book, that is Know for Sure, the content is given according to unit wise. So we will start with unit 1, then we will do unit 2, then 3, then 4 and so on. and in unit 1 we will do the work according to the pages, according to the page number which is given under a unit. So in the first unit, which is the natural world, now what is natural world? Which is nature. Whatever you find it out in the nature, that form a natural world, that is only nature. Means where you are not forming anything, everything is existing in nature, that is living in nature. Natural things, we will study about natural things. So can you tell me 5 natural things? Natural means which exist in nature. Fine. So we will start with our first thing. Okay, the first thing which exists in our nature, that is sun. Number 2, moon, because nobody is making that moon, that is there in our nature. Number 3, mountain. What else? Grass, or you can write tree. Number 5, animals. Animals are also existing in our environment. Fine. So these are the few things. Now we'll come to our chapter, which is your page number 9. So what you will do, you will open that page, and just now we will do that page number which is your part of unit 1, and you will do it along with me. So let's start our page number related to animal sounds. Okay, let's start, children. So children, as you can see in your book, animal sounds. The page number 9 is animal sounds, and what you have to do, whatever sound of an animal, that you have to write in front of that animal in the box. One box is meant here, like in the front of cow, this kind of a box is made in your book. So in this box you will write the name of the animal, the sound produced by that animal. So here in that page, what is given, write the sound each of these animals make with the help of words given below in the box. Now for your help box is also given. By looking at that help box, you can write the name of or sound of that particular animal. Now the first animal which you can see in this picture, that is, yes, that is correct, that is cow. Now what is the sound of cow? Just now we have seen, or just now we have done in the rhyme also. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, yes. So what is the sound of cow? Yes, yes, correct, the sound of cow. Now what I will do it here, I will write the name of the animal so that you will be getting it, that the sound of cow only I am writing. Okay, so what is the sound of cow? That is, yes, the sound of cow is moo. The sound of cow is moo. What is the spelling? Spelling is also given in your book. That is M-O-O. 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 Moo. Moo is the sound of cow. Now number 2. The second place, which animal is given? Yes, it's correct. On the second place, horse is there. So what is the sound of horse? If you have seen somewhere horse, then you can easily tell what is the sound of horse. What is the sound of horse? Yes, correct. Somewhere if you have seen horse which are carrying something, or if you go for a horse riding, then you commonly you will heard that what will be the sound of horse. Yes, that is knee. Knee. The pronunciation will be knee. N-E-I-G-H. N-E-I-G-H. So we will write N-E-I-G-H. Knee. Knee is the sound of horse. Now come to the next, which is goat. Come to the next, which is goat. Now what is the sound of goat? See, somewhere it is written ba, somewhere it is written bleat. So both of these are the sounds of goat. Goat, ba and bleat. These both are the sounds of goat. So bleat is the sound of goat. So we will write, what we will write here in that box? So what we will write here? Bleat. B-L-E-A-T. B-L-E-A-T. Now children, you have to learn the spelling of these sounds. Spelling of these sounds, because might be you have to write somewhere or you have to read somewhere, then these spellings will help you a lot. So we'll come to the next animal, which is pig. Pig. What is the sound of pig? P-I-G, pig. What is the sound of pig? Just now I have told you, when we have started this chapter, then I have told you what is the sound of pig. What is the sound of pig? Oink oink. Oink oink. So as I told you, in that way only we will write O-I-N-K. Oink. O-I-N-K. O-I-N-K. I hope that is clear to you all. Now we'll come to the next animal which is there in the picture, that is snake. Yes, snake. Number 5 is snake. Can you tell me what is the sound of snake? Can you tell me what is the sound of snake? Yes. Hiss. Somewhere if you have seen that hiss, if you have to express what is there, what is that? More often you are using this symbol also for snake, for symbolizing the head of the snake is like that. So the sound of snake is hiss. The way we pronunciate it, in that way only we will write it also, hiss. H-I-S-S. H-I-S-S. Fine. Now come to the next animal, which is, yes, more often you are finding it in monsoon season or in rainy season, that is frog. Now our 6th one is frog. Can you tell me what is the sound of frog? What kind of a sound? What is the sound of frog? Trr, 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 trr. More often that croaky sound you have heard. Croaky sound. Just like that something is cracking somewhere. That is croaky sound. So here the sound of frog is croak. C-R-O-A-K. We'll write that. C-R-O-A-K. Croak. C-R-O-A-K. C-R-O-A-K. Fine children. Now we'll come to the next animal. What is the next animal? Oh, your favorite. What is that? Yes, that is cat. Meow meow. Cat. So we will write here cat. And what is the sound of cat? What is the sound of cat? Meow meow. More often you have heard it. Meow meow. So the sound of cat is meow. And what is the spelling? M-E-O-W. So we will write it meow. M-E-O-W. M-E-O-W. Once if you will write that word, now you just repeat after me. After completing all these sounds, when we are going to revise it also, what are the different sounds of different animals. So now we'll come to the next one, which is, yes, dog. What is the sound of dog? Yes, tell me first. So now children, what is the sound of dog? Okay, think about it. Bark. More commonly we have heard bark. But along with, as I told you in the beginning, कि some of the animals have different voices, or their voices, animal sounds can be symbolized in a different way. So here dog is having bark also and woof also. Woof also. So what we will write here? Woof. Woof. W-O-O-F. Woof. W-O-O-F. W-O-O-F. Woof. So what we have done? We have done animal sounds. What we have done? Animal sounds. So now let's revise all the sounds once again. All the animal sounds once again. So now children, you have seen all the sounds of animal. So let's revise it. Number 1 is cow. Now I'll give you time to write it in your book also along with me. What is the sound of cow? That is moo. M-O-O. M-O-O. Repeat after me. M-O-O. Okay children? That is moo. The pronunciation is moo. Now come to second animal, that is horse. What is the sound of horse? That is knee. That is knee. N-E-I-G-H. N-E-I-G-H. Now come to third, that is goat. Now what is the sound of goat? Yes, that is bleat. Bleat. B-L-E-A-T. Repeat after me. B-L-E-A-T. Bleat. Now come to the next, that is number 4, pig. What is the sound of pig? Oink. Oink. Oink is the sound of pig. O-I-N-K. O-I-N-K. Now come to number 5, that is snake. What is the sound of snake? That is hiss. H-I-S-S. Hiss. H-I-S-S. H-I-S-S. Now come to sixth one, that is frog. What is the sound of frog? That is croak. C-R-O-A-K. 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 Sometimes some of the children were writing K like this. This is not correct cursive. So you have to fold it like this and then come out from it. So that is correct K in cursive writing. Croak. C-R-O-A-K. C-R-O-A-K. Now come to seventh one, that is cat. Now what is the sound of cat? Meow. Meow. Okay, the spelling will be M-E-O-W. Repeat after me. M-E-O-W. M-E-O-W. Many times I am repeating it so that you can complete this work and you can learn also in this session only. Now eighth one, that is dog. Now what is the sound of dog? That is woof. W-O-O-F. W-O-O-F. F, woof. Fine. So we have done these animal sounds. Now I am not saying it that apart from this we don't have any sound of any animal. We have different animals in our natural world and they are producing different sound. But in your book only these 8 animals pictures have been mentioned and you have to write their sounds in your book. So I hope children you have completed this page number 9 along with me only in this video, and now we are going to do our next topic, which is, so now children our next topic is your page number 7 in your book, that is I Spy. I Spy. Page number 7 in your book, that is I Spy. Now this I Spy means how many things you can spy, means you will become a detective and then you are going to find it out something in the picture. Now what is given in the picture on page number 7? Open page number 7, there is a picture of a beach where all the people are relaxing, children are playing with the ball and some are taking sun bath. Now what is beach? If I'll ask you what is beach, more often you have heard this word beach. Now what is beach? Beach is a landform alongside a body of water. Means in the seashore is converted into that kind of a place where one can play, one can relax, one can enjoy there, and that area is called beach. As you all have heard about Juhu Beach in Mumbai, that is one of the famous places related to Juhu Beach. And apart from that Juhu Beach, many of the beaches are there in our world or in our country also. So beaches are basically a landform near a sea or some water bodies. So what we find it out in the picture, that some are relaxing, some are playing, some children are playing. So what are the few things which you find it out on the beach? If you have went to beach sometime, then what you can find it out on the beach? First you all will tell all those things which you have. If you went on beach sometime, then what you have seen. Okay, and then those things I'll write it on the board and then we will do that page. Okay, then we will come to the page. Now, okay children, now you will tell me what all things you have seen on the beach, or if you have seen a picture of a beach, what all will be there on the beach. Fine, that I'll write it. Okay, I'll start writing number 1. What is there? Obviously on the beach you have water, sea is there, water. Then next is, what else? Boat. Boat is also there. Number 3, what rest is there? Sand. Sand is also there, which is often called रेत. रेत बोलते हैं ना, रेत में खेलते हैं हम. That is sand. What else? Coconut trees. Coconut trees also you will find it out there. Coconut trees also. And what else? Fish. Fish. You will find it out fish. You will find it out crab also. You will find it out crab also. Crab also you will be able to see there. When our high tide will come, those crab will goes down in the sand, and when the low tide will come, they come out after the tide. So crab also you have find it out there. What else you will find it out there? Obviously children, people, boys, girls, all those things. What else? What else? Okay, so now we will see the picture which is given in your book, and what you will find it out there. I spy. Spy means you are going to become detective, and then you are going to find it out what all things are there. You have to count those things and you have to write that number there. So let's start. Okay. So children, we will start this page number 7. Hi friends, I am Noe. I went for a walk on the beach and saw a few things. Can you count them and write their numbers in the box given next to each thing? Now you have to write the number of things which have been given. So you can find it out few of the things here in the picture, and you have to count the number of things and you have to write it in that box. Now the first thing which you have to count, that is, yes, the first one is coconut trees. You can see many coconut trees there. That you have to count and that number you will write it. So how many coconut trees are there? Can you count it? Okay. Now I will also start counting it. That is 1, 2, 3. How many coconut trees are there? Okay. So there are 3 coconut trees in the picture. So what we will write in the book, in the front of coconut trees, what is that? One box is given. So in this box you will write 3. You will write the number of things which you find it out. Now the next is shells. Next is shells. So count the number of shells and that number you will write it in the, yes, in the box. Now next is starfish. Now what is shells? Can you tell me what is shells? Why I am asking all these questions? Because in general knowledge, each and everything, general knowledge, the short form when we are calling it GK, general knowledge means whatever general things are there, you must be knowing about it. So shells, what are shells? Yes, if you have seen shankh in temple, or if you have seen shankh वो होता है जिसमें that pearls are there, pearls are coming out from the shells only. So that hard material is called shells. Now come to starfish. Yes, the fish which is in shape of star, that is starfish. Can you count all these in the picture? And then we will write it in the box. So we will start counting it. So now children, these many things you will find it out. After starfish you will find it out crabs in the picture, crabs, and then you will count the number of crabs and write that number in the box. After crabs you will get beach umbrellas. The bigger one umbrellas are called beach umbrellas. Beach umbrellas. So you will count those beach umbrellas and write that number in the box. Now come to next, that is boats. Boats. You will count the number of boats and then write that number. You will count the number of boats and then the number of boats you will write in this box. Now come to dogs. How many dogs are there in the picture? Fine. Some of the person having their pet as a dog, and when they are going for a walk on the beach, they are carrying their dogs also with them. So that number of dogs you will write in this box. Then next is balls. How many children are there which is having balls? So the number of balls you have to count and that number of balls you will write it in this box. Fine. So by this you will complete, that is page number 7, I spy. Noe is the spy in this page, and with the help of you all, he is going to find it out the number of things on the beach. So you will count it and write it. And what is your homework? Homework is this only. You have to count the number of things and write it in the box. So what we have done today? We have done 2 pages. First one is animal sound, and the second one, which is I spy, when you will become detective and finding how many things were there. So with this you will complete this page number 7 and 9. So that's all for today. Good day, children.